If you're searching for new ways to create more engaging posts in Instagram, you might want to check out the data provided by Instagram because it will give you hints about engaged users and top engaged posts. So let's check it out. Hello everyone, this is Ali Shafari. So if this is your first time watching my video, make sure to subscribe in my YouTube channel and check out my website to get the latest updates and content about social media analytics. So today I'm going to tell you 4 steps to create more engaging posts in Instagram, and I'm going to present a data-driven strategy. In this strategy, we will check out the details of our current engaged users, our most engaged posts, and the most active time of users, and we use all those data to create new and more engaging posts. So let's start. Alright, so the steps to create more engaging posts are: first, get to know your engaged audience. Second, check out your most engaged post. Third, find out the best time to share. And fourth, create a new post based on the data you just gathered. Alright guys, so the first step is to know your engaged audience. For purpose of this video, I have access to this Instagram account, so I'll go to Insights area, and after that I'll choose the account engaged. Then I'll change the time range and put it to 90 days. Alright, so we can get some very useful insights here. First of all, we can see the geographical information about those users that already engaged with our content. So we can check out the top cities here. Next, we have top countries, the age range of those engaged users, and the ratio of male and female. Next, we have the follower and non-follower ratio. So as we can see here, most of those who engaged with our content, they were not following this page. So we have to take this information to account when we are creating a post, that our users who will engage with our content may not be following our page. So we can check out the interactions here, mostly likes of course, then comments, saves and shares. So we can design our post that it will brings more comment and likes. And we can check out from top stories and top videos down here. So this page doesn't have any videos, so it doesn't have any information about it, but if you have videos, make sure to check out this information. Alright, so let's check out the most engaged posts, and we can check that from Insights, and then we'll go to post metrics Insights area, and then we have to choose the metric that will help us to find the most engaged posts. So we'll choose post interaction here, and the time frame is set to last year. That's okay, I'll leave it that way. So in last year, these are the most engaged posts because they had the most interaction. The interaction could be a like, could be comment, could be share or save. We'll check for each and every one of these posts, and you can do that for all of your posts. You can do it for like 5 posts, 10 posts, it's up to you, but the more you check, the insights you will gather, it will be more reliable. So for example, for the third one here, so the first thing we have to check is the content of the post. Is it image or video? Which is image here, and what is it about? So in this page, mostly, not mostly actually, all of the posts are about NFTs. You have to pay attention to details of the content you share. So first of all, we have an image of a woman here, and we have the price of this NFT, and different things. So you have to pay close attention to the content itself. And next, we have the post type. So here it's a single image post. It's not video, it's not carousel, so it's a single image post. Next, we have the caption. The caption, you have to check out how long is it or how short is it. You have to pay attention to all the details about the sentiment of the caption of your post, and anything else that you can take out as an information that it might help you. You have to be very careful about it. And next we have the hashtags. So check out the number of the hashtags. How many hashtags did you use? Are those hashtags are related together? Are those hashtags related to the post topics? Are they related to the page topics? So you have to be very specific and you have to check every detail. Next, we have to check out the location. For this post, for example, page didn't include any location, but let's check out the previous one. As we can see, the location is Hong Kong. So it could be a hint for your next contents to choose the location that you want. So you have to be very specific about all the information I just told you for all of those most engaged posts, and you can use it as a hint for your next content. And that's all for this section. Alright, so the third step is to find out the active time of our followers. So for that, we'll go to Insights area and we'll check out the total followers section, and we'll have to sweep up to the end. So here we can see most active times of our followers based on hours and days. So we have to be specific. We have to pay attention to these details here, because it is really important that we share the media or the post content during the active time of our followers, because if we don't do that, some of our followers might not even see our content at all. So check out this most active times based on the day and hours of the day. So for this account, it's quite the same all of day, but Monday is lower than others. Let's select a day, for example, Sunday. For Sunday, let's see what time is the best to share the media. For Sundays, the best time is 3 to 7 p.m. That's the best time we can share the media, but we can check out for different days. Make sure to check out the most active times of your follower. Alright guys, we already have done 3 steps. So step number 4, which is the last step, is just to use those data. So if you are creating new posts for your Instagram, make sure to use those data about everything we have covered so far, about the location, about the caption, about the hashtags, about the gender and time range of the engaged user. Everything we have covered so far, make sure to use them wisely. I'm sure it will result in more engagement of your page. And coming up, I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna share you some tips for getting more engaged in your Instagram posts. Okay, guys, so there are 4 quick tips that I'm gonna share with you that could bring more engagement to your Instagram posts. So first of all, ask for people's opinion. When you ask for their opinion, they might comment and it will result in more engagement. Second, ask people to share the post. You can bring different reasons for that. For example, you can say share it with your loved ones based on the content you're sharing, or share it with your best friend, or etc. Third, create challenging posts. When you create challenging posts, where people will try to prove their points, and that may result in more comments in your post and more engagement. And lastly, create posts with incomplete information. So you can consciously remove part of information which is not the core information of your post, and the user will try to ask about it or try to complete those incomplete gaps. But please be careful with these 4 tips. It doesn't mean you have to implement it or execute it anyhow. And for example, if you create many challenging posts or create challenging posts about the critical topics, it may result in negative reactions. So be wise about it, but using these tips wisely and correctly will bring more engagement to your posts. Right, so we have covered 4 steps to create engaging posts in Instagram, and I hope you liked it. Please like the video and make sure to subscribe in my YouTube channel, and you can ask anything in comment. And please, if you have any suggestion or question, comment below the video. And that's all. Thanks a lot.